Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? I'm gonna make my children breakfast. Egg, scrambled egg. Lagyan natin ng salt and pepper. And we're gonna put our egg now. The egg is done. Ito pera to dun sa aking maliit na anak. Ayan, inano niya na. O, tingnan nyo. O. Ito naman si Shakib. Yam. Ito naman yung kay ate. Anzal na. May egg din siya. Ito naman yung sa akin. Nilagyan ko ng chili pepper. This is my breakfast. Syempre, Pilipino tayo. Itlog with kanin at saka saging. 'Di ba? Enjoy the breakfast. Yun lang. Assalamualaikum. Jazakur khairan. Bye! Follow me!